Welcome to Country Girls. Today we are doing Don't Pop, the Christmas balloon
Switch Up Slime Challenge.
That was really long. Scariest balloon. It is the biggest. Which one do you think is scarier, guys? The smaller one or the bigger one? Comment down below. This was requested by
Sammy Bradley and Samantha Naked. Both girls are named Samantha, so how cool is that?
If you're new to our channel, I'm Annalise.
I'm Rachel.
And I'm Julia.
They're fraternal twins, and I'm their older sister.
We'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
If you do, you'll become part of our CG family.
So let us know in the comments down below if you've done those things, and you might get a shout out at the end. Let's get started. So some of these have red shaving cream, and some of them have green shaving cream.
Some have blue.
And some have other colors. The goal here is to not get the Christmas colors. If we get a Christmas color, red and green, we do not get a balloon.
If we get blue, we have to switch our bowl with the person to our left.
But we will still get a point. It will also be tested on how beautiful the slime is and how it stretches. Let's get started. Okay, Rachel's gonna go first. You go. No, you have to go next. I'm so scared. All right, let's put the bowl down.
I'm gonna cut my balloon first.
Oh! That was so cool! Replay. Oh, Rachel, you got green. I'm sorry, Rachel. My turn. Yeah, I'm gonna go crazy. Yellow! Where did my balloon go?
It's here, I saw it.
Like me, the struggle is real.
Okay, it's stopping, and I'm trying not to cut through it.
Whoa! So since you got blue, me and Julie have to switch. I get Julie's really cool blue one. I love this. Now it's time for round two. Alrighty, fun fact. Julie has got all like on the balloons. Okay.
All right.
Just pick this one. All right, let's pop them. All right. More blue. You're having a blue slime. This is really like weird consistency. Okay. Purple.
Cool.
Wow.
All right. Okay, here we go.
Okay, guys, that was a huge mess again. Anyways, me and Julie got a point, and Rachel didn't again. I got blue, so I'm gonna switch with Rachel. Hey, fun fact, me and Rachel both got our same color, so 2 greens and 2 blues. That is funny. Yeah.
Okay, you guys, I'm really hoping for a point this time, because
It is round 3.
yeah.
All right, so Julia.
This one. Okay.
This one.
You always take the smallest, I gotta say.
Yeah, maybe like purple. Again,
2 purples and a yellow.
wow, I
I'm
kind of
going
want that.
full underground.
Up any more
Yellow.
Alright, ready? I'm gonna cut safe for the first time in forever. It still
Okay.
didn't work. I'm sorry, Julia. It doesn't really show up. Ha 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 ha. Fun fact, we were gonna go some fun place after we filmed this video, and now we have to hose down the house and ourselves. But hopefully we can still go. All right, so I got blue, so me and Rachel switch again. Guys, I've got gotten 3 balls.
I'm gonna get this one.
I'm left with the littlest.
That's actually the biggest.
Please, please. Okay.
More blue. Oh, you and Rachel have to switch. Whoa,
Okay,
that's
okay.
coming out
I
weird.
really wanted this bowl. That actually looks like Colgate toothpaste.
Alright, ready?
Okay,
I'm a little scared, I know, I feel you. No! Wait, is that pink?
It's red.
Really? It looks coral. Coral isn't red. I don't have to lose a point.
No, you still lose a point.
Alright, you guys, on this round, only Rachel got the point. So me and Julia are tied, and Rachel is 1 point behind us. But that was our last round.
I'm switching with Julia.
I really liked it.
Alright, where's our spoon?
Rachel, that is so pretty.
Oh, wow. Oh, it turned purple. It's like a raspberry purple. That looks really cool.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it. Mine's all blue and green, so yeah, it's gonna turn like a blue
Teal. My turn. Oh yeah, let's get in there. What is it turning? Green? What? Almost the same color as Julia, actually. This looks like sea foam. Time to turn this into slime.
What do you get when you cross a cat and an owl?
Meows.
Because they are afraid of most of the mouse. What? You're reading the
No.
answer.
Alright guys, here is how our slimes turned out. I absolutely love it.
I know, I love it so much.
It feels like sea foam. The color is sea foam. It's basically foam. Okay, that worked really well, but now it's dripping off the table.
Julia and Annalise, explain the holidays wrong. Why is Santa Claus called Santa Claus? Because he has claws on his feet. That's why he always wears big black boots to cover his claws.
This has been another show of how Annalise and Julia explain holidays wrong.
You're welcome.
This is gonna be a good one, I feel it. It was a good one! It was cool, it looks like sea foam.
Mine is fluffy.
Let's, yeah, look. One, like, just a fluffy gel.
Yay!
Bubble challenge!
Wait.
Quick. All right, Rachel, that's your bubble. Hold it.
Wait, Annalise.
Ah, no holes.
What? Oh, dang it, I lost.
Yes, I won!
Nope, it has to be more than 25 seconds.
None of ours lasted that long.
Mine lasted.
All right, let's do it one more time. Ready?
Wait, pause. I have
Rachel,
to
hold
get
yours for as long as you can.
it. By the way, one thing. Our slime bubbles have to last for more than 25 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 20.
Mine held out.
All right, you
1,
guys.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
These aren't seconds, you're
16,
counting,
17,
Julia.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23,
All right.
24, 25, 26, 27,
1,
28.
2, 3.
Okay, you guys, we hope you enjoyed this challenge, but now it is time for shout-outs.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
27. Live life with toys. Zaire Sarah,
BB Amna,
Kylie Jackson Hair, LOL It's Me Plays,
Maggie Weddle,
Evie Grinter, Mabry Nicole.
and Kitty Cat Forever.
Thank you so much for being part of our TG family.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up.
We love you guys so much.